Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will discuss with you a beautiful website, which provides millions of free editable and printable templates in graphic design, Office document Word, PowerPoint, multimedia templates, music and video. Also I will show you how to download graphic resources from the website, and use it for your business. This website provides free 7 days download accessibility. The website name is Pikbest. Pikbest is a high-quality design templates platform. They are trying their best to make graphic design more easier than ever. With the help of their work you can create the most impressive designs and bring your ideas to life. On this website you will find all kinds of resources which you need, like creative design, presentation, video and audio. In creative design section, you will find lots of creative design, like graphic templates, advertising, graphics, decoration, e-commerce, and more designs. In presentations section, you will find lots of presentation resources, like PowerPoint resources, Word resources, and Excel resources. In video and audio section, you will find lots of video and audio. You can easily use these resources for your projects to make more professional. Also you will be able to find the type of design which you needed. Suppose I searched business card. See that, there are huge assets of business card. You can choose the best one and use it for your business. In the same way you will find other graphic designs assets on this website. As a graphic designer, I suggest every designer to use this site, because you can find here professional graphic resources, also get inspiration. You can also sell your graphics resources, and earn passive income. Now I'm going to download a logo, and edit it for my business. Pikbest offers free 7 days download accessibility, that's why you can use every resources of this website. You can easily sign up on this website, that's why I skipped this. I have attached this website link in video description. Okay. I like this logo for my work. Now I download it. This is very easy to download, there is no need to pay. After download the logo, now I customized it for my company. My company name is Manwa. You can also write your company name which is related to M letter. Okay, I made this logo useful to my company. So friends, Pikbest is very high quality website with professional graphic resources. You can easily use this website for your graphics solution and others need. Thank you.